stacks, whether weed or CDs or keys or crack. I gotta get it. Being broke, a nigga ain't with it. Show Slim the target, and I promise I.
Okay, you can see that guy up there, and he's gonna roll down the highway with me, no matter where I go. So he's following me today, so it's like usual. Another day with these pieces of shit. Now watch this. See how I'm slowing down right here? See how he slows down? He's waiting for me right there.
I never did like snakes, so I got out the gutter. I made it down. That's why Slim the most hated now. No more living in the hood, we done upgraded now. And they say, how did you survive living on the north side in the city where the skinny niggas die? Tell mama don't cry, cause even if they kill me, they can never take the hustle from a young G. Chill. You know how to.
Okay, you guys, that guy's going over to the left, right? Like towards that, behind that building. I'm gonna make a right at this light to prove my point that that helicopter is following me. Now watch. Remember, he's over here on my right, on my left. Hold on. Hold on. I won't turn on my blinker yet. We'll just wait a second. Where is he? Just wait for him to come out behind the building. Now I'm at Pomona Avenue. I'm gonna make a right. And there he is, right there. See him? There he is. All of a sudden he comes out of that building out of nowhere, and there he is following me. You see that? This is harassment. You see that? I go to stop right here. Watch this. I'm going to stop. This is harassment. See? Street, and there's a helicopter right there harassing me. Okay, so I'm going to go up here and I'm going to go do a U-turn. I'm gonna do a U-turn right here. This little dip is. See, there he is. He's cutting me off. I don't feel comfortable driving down the street with him. So I'm gonna do a U-turn right now. I do a U-turn and there he is. See, there's the house. There's a U-turn. There he is. Okay. You guys saw me do that U-turn. Now I'm heading down the highway trying to get away from Psycho. I'm gonna try to go home. And you guys, I'm gonna go to the Wiener Schnitzel. Now remember, Mr. Helicopter's over here on my right, okay? And there he is. See, this is harassment right there. There he is right there. This is beyond harassment, and you know, what do? The police say this guy's not following me, okay? But how is that if he's right there? Okay, look at him. I'm gonna go to the Wiener Schnitzel to go get a hot dog. There he is back there. Other side of town. Okay guys, I'm going to the Wiener Schnitzel, and there he is.